Okay, I've had this back from the mender, and push it. And then that's meant to be turbo mode. Not seeing any difference. It's not long, but gotta do it. Might be the last time. This is meant to be turbo mode. I'll have to go with the old one. It's not even that long. It's tickling, it's still missing a load. I can't go any lower. That's as low as it'll go. Check the power consumption amount. Yeah, they haven't taken the recycle today. I wonder what's happened. Maybe the van's broken down. Who knows? Could be anything. I'll have to go with the shears at the other side. Is it full? It's hard to tell with this. Oh, it's clogged up. That's what it does. If it clogs, don't put your hands in there unless you pull the safety out. Oh, nettles everywhere. Stinging. Okay, we're getting there. Try again. Have to go with the old mower. You see where it's dropping it as well. With other mowers it would put it into the bag. I'll rake it over. I've got the rake handy. Cuts some bits well, but the straggly stuff, it doesn't like to touch it. So I'm just tickling it first, and I'll go over with the other one and rake it, of course, as well. Oh, I see. You can see dropping it, you see. Yeah, I'll go over it again. Okay. Let's take a 1 bar. Oh. Right. There we do. This side. Put this in the composter. You always take that thing out. Safety first. Okay. All the back to do yet. So tired. Energy. I need energy. Well, I've had today that fish pie. You can't pass there. Okay. Apples are coming along lovely. I might not be around for them, but hopefully somebody will have them. I'll go around the back as well. Make sure I get the front finished first. And then do the rest again. All do it. Yeah. So we're supposed on the turbo mode with this. Yeah. Good. Evil. Evil. The presence of evil. Oh yeah. The cat's upstairs. I'm going to try tend to his wounds easier. I might have to go take him to the vet. It cost me a bomb, that is. You can see this bit finished at the moment, so get that done. Do all the edges, the shears, just as go as far as you can. But this is the Worx 40 centimetre, 40 volt. Takes 2 batteries. Comes with a charger. I do like this feature that once that pops out, it doesn't do anything further. Okay. Just push it in, then I'll go with the shears along that bit. I just wanted to get onto the end. So if you only got one hand, you can use this mower, nice and light. It's going to be longer in the back. I think I'll have to use the other one. Set the battery to. This is an eco mode, remember. That weed killer stuff didn't do very well. Maybe I didn't put enough down. See, it shouldn't be doing that. You'll see the other one. See how high it is? The other one would be clipping the concrete. Then you take that out. Safety first. Right. So it won't do anything there. See, it doesn't push it into the back like the other one. It's not like it's that long either. Oh, that rake is all off as well. Right. There we go. Get all that stuff done. I'll leave that open. I keep closing it, open it. I gotta go around all the back. I can't do all that with the other one, it'll kill it. I don't want to do that. I only just got it back from the menders. As long as I got the front down, I'll rake it off and then I can set to the back. I still haven't had anything except that fish pie, mostly potato, but the fish was nice, it was in it. But I've noticed that it's not as much as the cheap one. The cheap one, to be honest, was nicer, so yeah. Oh, I'll do it there. Oh, alright. Right. I'm going to do this now when the weather's good. That's it. That's what I was going to do. I didn't put the washing machine on. Oh. Mercy.
Good boy. Good boy.
Beautiful day, honestly. Look at that. So you can see what it's done there. Just wish it had a bit more guts and kicked the grass back into the box better. I like the feature, the safety on the handlebar. I wish more of them had that. Some people might not like that, but I think it's good. One handle for changing heights. It's just the power, or lack of it. I'll do it. So you have to push that in first. Then the people are trying to figure that out, they're getting frustrated. I go with the shears around the edges. Making sure everybody watches. My views have gone down a lot lately. Okay, I think This should be able to on one battery or so on Eco. We should be able to do the front and the back, but I don't think so. Yep, down to one. I don't want to cook it any further. Get the old one. Let's see if we can get this edge. That'll be the last bit, I think. That's the line they damaged. Still having to put the other one up, but what's the point? Anyway. Fashion. That's it. It's dead. It's dead. Let's see how hot these batteries are. So this is what you do. You have to take them out. Oh, a little toasty, but it says there's two of that one. Maybe one battery's got down more than the other. Okay. Give it a moment when it's overheating. Batteries say there's a bit more life in it. It's gone back to 3. The motor is hot. That's it. Still got the thing on it. Wind. Yeah, get the back done. I think I'll have to use the other one for that. Yeah. 25 years, no, 26 years now. That's the one. That's the daddy. Okay. I'll get this last bit done before it goes on. You do the best you can. I can see the plane, but the camera can't. Okay. Yeah, just. Nope. It's too much for it. It's unbelievable. This is not that long. So I took it to there. Yeah, I don't see that. Oh, we don't know. It's down to 2 now. You don't want to cook it. Okay, I think that's about it for this one. I'll have to get the other one out and part 2. I have got another set of batteries, but I just don't think it's got the thing to do this. Clean up the wheels there and underneath. You get a roller there. If that jams, it pushes it, bent it up. The other one popped it off. So yeah, just clean the rest of it up. Wish I had gloves that fit my hands. So look at those apples. They're coming on. Right. I'll get the have to get the other one out and I'll catch you in a moment. But yeah, brush that up, rake it all off. I think go over with the other one and we'll be better off then. It's much better.